Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to visualize the crystal structure of titanium dioxide in rutile phase using VESTA. Okay, in order to plot any crystal structure in VESTA, you will need the HRF file which you will obtain from the HCrysTen program. Now, this is the HCrysTen program. Okay, we click File, open PWSCF, input file. Now I will search for my input file. Okay, this is my input file. Any name you can put it on your input file as long as the type of the file is an input file. So there is a .in. Okay, we click open, we choose, okay, close. Do not reduce dimensionality. This is the conversion unit cell of titanium dioxide in rutile phase. Now I'll compare with the reference. Okay, the reference is from ResearchGate. This is title. Later I'll put in the YouTube video description. Okay, it says this is the conventional unit cell of rutile TiO2. The gray walls represent the titanium atom. There are 9 titanium atoms, while my visualization only 6 titanium atoms. Now, I'll prove it to you that both of them are the same. Look, if I click modify, I increase again 1 unit cell in Z direction. It's the same. If you look closely, they are the same. Yeah, I hope you get what I mean. Okay, next file, save HRF structure. This is the file which will be read by VESTA. Okay, I name it titanium dioxide. Okay, next, now open VESTA. File, open the recent file. So this is the titanium dioxide rutile phase. Yeah, it's the same with what I obtained from the HCrysTen program. If you want to erase the bond from outside the unit cell, you click edit, bonds, we uncheck the poly. From the boundary mode group box, we choose do not search atoms beyond the boundary, and we click apply. Okay, now the bonds has been erased. Next, if you want to put the label Ti or O on each atom, we choose from object section and we check this the L section. If you want to erase the number, we from edit data, structure parameters. So in this, from the label column, we double click. Now I erase the number. I click OK. Now the number should appear. The number has been disappeared. Okay, this is all for the tutorial today. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.